Good morning, friends. Came back live after a long time because of some other challenges in our OBS software. Not able to do everything on time. So just give me a minute. I will post our link in our Telegram channel and then come back. Good morning, Prajwal. Good morning, Batman. Good morning, all. After a long gap, I think more than 2 weeks, we are not able to do live. And it was quite interesting market, right? Exited my HDFC Bank 1400 call at the cost due to but rallied to 25 on expiry day. See, that is what about HDFC Bank. Okay, uh, I mean, he is a king. Whether he performs or not, he is a king. It's like lion of a jungle. Okay, whether lion hunts or not, it is a lion. Nobody can deny it. That is what HDFC Bank is all about in markets. We don't know when it performs, but he will perform whenever he is supposed to do. Your queries group Telegram link is expired. Please update it. I'm not sure whether it is expired or not. Let me check, Mr. Akil. Yeah, sir, வணக்கம். நல்லா இருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு பேசி. Let's see. And we are pitching into August series. We all very well know our channel. We will provide discounts in our premium services only during 6 times in a year, and out of those 6 times, 4 times comes in between August to December. Only twice it will be from January to July. So if anybody of you is willing to join our premium services, just wait till 15th of August. That will be our offer zone or discount period or whatsoever it may be. Akhil, I will check about that Telegram link for queries group. Bought Wipro 420 call at 17. What to do? You can hold on. IT is performing only to last 2 days. Only for last 2 days. For Wipro, I am expecting 444 as the target. As long as it stays above 405. If it stays about 405, 444 is not ruled out in the series. I am expecting a small jerk towards 16,800 in Nifty, and then we will see 17,400 as first target, 17,850 as second target in Nifty. So you can hold it very boldly as long as it holds above 405 in spot. If you want the exact value, I give some importance for fancy numbers, whichever I like. If you want an exact number, it will be 404.40 on closing basis, daily closing basis. Jagin, firstly, a terrific month. Yeah, if it's of course, Jagin. Actually speaking, this is one of the best month where everything which I touched has turned into gold. Some of the calls has delivered unbelievable returns. Like IndusInd Bank 900 call, we picked at 3 rupee 50 paise and yesterday it ended at 119. And to everyone's surprise, my message while suggesting the call itself was like buy and forget it till expire or buy and hold it till expiry day. That was my statement. Likewise, Bajaj Finance 6,200 call. It hasn't given opportunity, but 6,000 call. We picked at 115. Yesterday it was at 1,115. See, nobody will be able to hold patience till that time. But we booked at least 1x profits. In all our positions, we booked at least 1x profits. That was the stuff. Only thing which we missed was, I think, LTI and other one is Tata Steel, which we have exited earlier. But after our exit, both fired. Only failure was HDFC Bank 1420 call. And next, okay, sir, should my stop loss should be 404.40, bro. Akil. 405.40 on closing basis, daily closing basis. If the stock closes below that particular level, you may exit. Else you can hold. My target is 444. Just imagine the kind of returns which Bajaj Finance 7,000 call has delivered. Remember, we suggested at 45 7,000 call of August series, and I have posted in even the free channel, even my index options group also I have posted it. Everywhere, generally speaking, when I post a Bajaj Finance call, I post everywhere. Why? Because my failure in Bajaj Finance is less than 5%. Less than 5%. Less than 5% in the sense, out of the 10 calls, the probability of failure is 0.5%. I mean, zero point 0.5. So, which means one call, if it fails, it will be a history. That is the success which I have bought, which I have learnt in Bajaj Finance. Today he is at 430, almost 10x. And remember, market doesn't like me saying almost. I don't like the word almost when it comes to markets, especially because people will give calls and it would not even reach our buying price, but people would claim saying that my call has dropped, but his buy price would not itself has reached. Today morning I have seen one call, one update in one Telegram channel. I don't want to name the channel. He has given some DLF call at 6.5 to 7.5. The low made was 7.65. Today it has come to 16 or 17, I guess. He's posting an update saying that from 7.65 to 7.65 to 14 or 15 or something like that. When a call value itself is not getting executed, how can you claim benefits for it? Once again, repeat, sir. Audio was not clear. Bro, it is 404.40. That is the level, exact level if you want to look for Wipro. If it closes below that, you can exit your positions or else stick to your position. You will definitely see 444 during this month. If at all something drastic happens across the world, it will not perform. Else, it will definitely perform. For the last one quarter, it has not performed. From 700 levels, it has fell down to almost 360, 370 levels. I expect at least a 33% retracement. So even if it is coming to 33% retracement, it must come around 460 levels, right? And Omkar holding HDFC Limited, it hasn't performed much yet. What's the target for August? Bro, we are holding 2500 call of HDFC. Then you can imagine what kind of target I have. Okay. If my guess is right, HDFC will perform at least 50% of what Bajaj Finance has did after results. Today HDFC is declaring results. And remember, whenever result comes, the re-rating of that particular stock will come only after 1 or 2 days. So if there is any initial jerk today, you are supposed to wait with patience. Because only on result today, what Bajaj Finance has did, it has not done anything actually speaking. It it was up by 0.5%. It went up by 2%. That's all. But the very next day, JP Morgan raised the target to 8,500 rupees as a re-rating. The stock surged 10%, 11%. Now today again it has gone up another 3%. Just give me a minute, guys. I will open. I am in the wrong window. Actually, I am in commodities window. Oops. Did he give an opportunity for us? I was suggesting to pick at 65. This bloody fellow. Oh no, I'm sorry. I should not. I should not curse Nifty. She do whatever I expect. 65 was the level which I suggested. 65.25, from there it has bounced. Let's not rush behind anything. He will come. She will come. Sorry. She will come. Bank Nifty is he. Nifty is she. Okay, right. It does not perform much. Okay, right. Then JSW Steel bought at 26. Actually speaking, you have bought at a little bit higher price, I guess. Steel must have been bought yesterday. I mean, metals. Metals must have been bought yesterday. Let me check the price. What is the JSW quoting? But it is also like a wild animal kind of stuff. When he moves, he fires like a rocket. Let me move on to my default setup and see what is it looking at. Excellent setup, bro. Excellent setup. But I mean, we could see 2 or 3 days of consolidation. A test of 200 moving average is 100% guarantee in this series. 646. 100% guarantee. Okay, maybe after a small consolidation over here, because this pink line is a 100 moving average. So in between this area, from the super trend line to this area, it will consolidate for some time and definitely it will touch 200 moving average. If it gives a close about 200 moving average, you will see 700. Nice observation about Bajaj Finance. Ma'am, you very well know about me. You are in touch with me for more than 2.5 years, I guess. 2.5 or 3 years, I guess. I have taught the formula for Bajaj Finance to everybody. Everybody who knows me and who has spoken to me at least once, they might have been knowing the Bajaj Finance stuff. Mm, one of my friend was a member of your queries group, sir. He trades very limited. He bought 7,000 call at 154 and but his mobile gone corrupt. I think it is corrupt and he exited at 920. See, we suggested Bajaj Finance at 45 rupees, bro. We haven't suggested even in 3 digits. Forget about 3 digits. I have not even suggested at 50 rupees. He should have been saved if he was in your group. Now, this kind of stuffs happen. Okay, these kind of stuffs happen. Today, one member from Bangalore he posted me saying from Anandrati they are giving a call in NMDC to buy at 108 and 110, I guess, for target of 124. He was saying me like that. I said, okay, see, fund houses, brokers will give calls only when the stock gathers momentum. But we pick before it gathers momentum. That is the speciality between us, between a difference between others and us. How many times I have given a call to chase something like when it is running like anything, go and chase it. Out of my 100 calls, you might not even seen 3 calls to chase. Not even. Maximum at the best you might see 2 calls. And that too when I am very, very, very confident. I will just say today is a day to chase markets. Wherever it opens, just buy this call or buy Nifty. Hold it. 6,000 call. Bad luck for him. I don't. I I should not comment anything further. That's all I can say. See, when we are in a quality stock, according to me, when we are in a quality stock, we should stick to it. Only then we can make good gains. And you should not get scared when there is losses. That is the most important thing of markets. You should not get scared because every business has its own pros and cons, like profit and losses. There is no business in the world which will give you only profits, or there is no business in the world which will give you only losses. That is the reason the statement by auditor by default will be like profit and loss statement. Okay, so if that is the case, we very well know before even coming into the business of trading that profit and loss are part of this game. Then why should you get scared when the position goes down? I can just give you a live example. 3 days back, 4 days back, I think on Monday or Tuesday, I am not remembering exactly. Actually, I think it's on Tuesday. I have given a list of 7 stocks, saying those are the golden eggs list for the first. I mean, can be picked at the first instance. Volta's 1040 call was quoting somewhere around 30 rupees, 28 rupees that time, I guess. I'm not sure about the exact rate. But my suggested entry was to buy between 16 to 18. On Wednesday, what happened? Voltas alone fell down. It actually opened below 16 and it went to 12. People were asking me, sir, it went to 12. What I need to do? What I need to do? What I need to do? I said, simply hold. And out of some aggression, I have told them, boss, July series itself is not ended. We are taking position for August series. We have 4 weeks time. Just sit silent. That was my message to the members who cried on that day. Today, the same Voltas 1050 is trading at 23 rupees. See over here, 23 rupees. Yeah, this chart will be more visible for you. It made a high of 24 rupees something. Now it is quoting of 23 rupees. The same person who questioned me on that particular day is not even bothered to say me or ask me whether I can exit. So that's how people are. When something is going against, they will ask you a number of questions. But when it is coming in their favor, they will not even bother to respond. Okay, Professor Prashant. Good morning, sir. Bank Nifty is weak now. I am holding 37,000 put from 345 yesterday. Your view on this, please. I am expecting some profit booking in Bank Nifty, everything by end of the day today. If Nifty is sustaining above 17,155 levels, only then I think it will move on the higher side, or else there will be definitely profit booking by end of the day. So if you want any kind of stop loss, then I will say one thing: 37,000 put, right? 204. Today low is far behind. So you can maintain a stop loss. Actually speaking, we will not be able to maintain stop loss, sir. All we can do is we can wait for any profit booking by end of the day, where you may exit somewhere around your cost. Because when Bank Nifty goes for profit booking, it will fall fast. Let me see the option chain data. In option chain data also, 37,500 call is having heavy writing. So it's pretty difficult for Bank Nifty to cross 37,500 again and sustain above it. So if my guess is correct, by today end of the day, maybe after European market opening 1:30 or so, you may see some profit booking. You can take a risk and hold. If possible, add one more lot somewhere around 150, 150, 160. If you see by end of the day there is profit booking, you can exit one lot and carry the other lot for Monday. If you don't see profit booking kind of stuff, it is flat, then exit both the lots. Just give me an update, minute, guys. I will post an update for my members and come back. Right. I'm sorry. Yeah, very unfortunate. We missed this particular one. Nifty 65 aren't. Your view on escorts results on Monday not perform like other autos. So escorts, actually speaking, I have not seen it. Actually, we were into iChart, but let me check escorts charts. Is this charts visible, or do you want me to change it to a bigger one? I mean full screen. Let me let me take it to the full screen itself so that it will be visible, clear, everything. Escort. Exactly hovering near the 200 moving average, make or break zone. If results good, for sure it is going to fly. 1800 will be seen as early as possible, and if 1800 is taken out, this 1934 will be shown again. This is for escorts, but on the downside, if you ask me for a stop loss, the stop loss is also a little bit wide. This 20 moving average will be your stop loss. What is the 20 moving average? Approximately around 17, sorry, 1644 is the 20 moving average. That will be your stop loss for escorts. Then Satish, take care of your throat, bro. But see, I can't do anything with this throat, bro. Actually speaking, my body condition is like that. When I get a throat infection, it will not get cured for minimum 3 months. Whatever medicine I take, everything will be going for a toss. So I stopped taking medicines. Even if I take, it will be good for 1 or 2 days, and then it will be back to bad throat again. Anyways, thank you for your kindness. Indus Tower from Anil. Indus Tower. Charts are a bit weak, but the stock is under a long consolidation, very long consolidation between 200 to 225, I guess, maximum 230. So if Nifty stays above 17,050, I mean a daily close, two daily closes must come. In that case, this stock also will start performing, and worst case scenario, it will go and test this 200 moving average, 238. Worst case scenario, I am saying. Best case scenario, it can move towards 250, but worst case scenario, I am saying 238. Shall we re-enter Bandhan Bank? How it looks like for August sales? See, Bandhan Bank is looking good now, but the thing is, if there is any profit booking by end of the day, definitely it will also fall. So if I am in your position, and if I am in your situation to take the call again, I will wait for Monday instead of taking it today. Now Wipro coming back to cost will exit or put cost TSL again, buy on dip again. That's your choice, Akhil. I have given you levels, whether exiting at cost or waiting for profits or getting at lower levels. It's up to you. I can't give that much of details. Viewers need to change resolution to 1080 as YouTube keeps default to 480 pixels. I don't know how to change, bro. If I need to change something, you need to advise me how to do it. Oh, you have mentioned viewers. Okay, okay, viewers, let them do if they are aware. Since I am not aware, I can't do it. What is zinc? Aluminum is looking good actually, but the problem is he rallied already. But still, after this completion of this bar, we can able to decide it. Copper actually, but I have given leave for copper for 3 days till today, because last 6 7 instances it hit my stop loss and then flew like anything. So I'm not willing to go and take a risk over there. Charts look good for crude. If somebody is willing to take a long, maintain stop loss at 7668, you can get at least 20 points, I guess. See, the targets which I give will be very small. My intention is to get consistent profits, no matter whether it is small or big. Okay. I think metals is the counter which is going to do some funny kind of activities this month. Maybe the underperformers like Hindalco, NMDC, Jindal Steel, these could do better than Tata Steel or what do I say, the best performers. Underperformers could do good. HDFC Bank open high today. If he is doing like that, then there is definitely a possibility that there will be a profit booking kind of stuff in the last hour. And to be honest, how many people here are participating in our McDowell's challenge? You could see some fantastic results over there. Um, no, sir, you do not need to change. Viewers need to change. It's their settings option. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. We'll try to fix the problem which we have in YouTube with the help of my friend by this week if he is free. the problem is resolved, if the problem is resolved, we can do live often. Sorry, please repeat, Satish. Uh, no, nothing, bro. I said that thanks for your kindness regarding my throat infection. Boss, don't give any medical advices here because I have tried all kind of medical advices. Everything I have tried. I have tried Siddha, I have tried Unani, I have said homeopathy, I have tried allopathy, and I have tried even home medicines. Nothing works for me. Why? Because this is my health nature since my childhood. I am 43 now. Okay. Since my childhood, in the sense, like from 7 years or 8 years, maybe, my health condition is like this. Calf won't come to me, come and join with me that easily. But if he joins, he will be there with me for minimum 3 months. There is no other alternative for us. I can drink only poison for this, but that will not help me. I'm not able to understand what Akhil is saying. This is Kurali Miksha from North India, sir. I don't know what it is, bro. See, in Tamil home medicines, it has been renamed in the form of other names across India. Okay, so I have tried everything. To be honest, it's like at one stage I got literally frustrated and left taking medicines. Okay, what is markets doing? I think the puts are started performing a bit. I don't know whether the professor added position suggested to add somewhere around 150. It came till 162 and climbed up. Let's see where it goes. And we'll try to prepare something, maybe at least a five list of golden eggs by this weekend. We'll do some research and try to pick out something. But according to me, if Nifty goes below 200 moving average again, maybe today or on Monday, we can expect a correction to till at least 16,750 to 16,800, maybe another 200, 250 points. I would not say it is a correction, it is a profit booking kind of stuff. If that happens, we can take good positions over there. He means it's home remedy, sir. Yes, home remedy also, I said, right, I have tried. Everything I have tried, bro. Just leave it as it is. No worries at all. It doesn't hurts me because it became a habit for me. The only thing is the other person listening on the other side or who is speaking to me will get irritated why this fellow is coughing like often, whether it is corona or something like that. But for that, I can't help him. Okay. Of course, we are in phone. We are in speaker only. So there is no, I mean, possibility of spreading COVID for you. No worries. Right. Where is markets? Let's see. Call Varus, other fellows staying copper. Oh, actually, copper chart says it's going trying to go up, but here this fellow says he is going to come down. It's a yo-yo kind of stuff. Let's see. Anyway, 17200 call moved from 65.25 against our price of 65. Hard luck. What happened to this fellow? Someone needs to cross this blue color line and climb up the ladder. This fellow is also hovering exactly around the blue line. If you ask me what is the blue line, that is the VWAP. I don't smoke, bro. Now people are giving calls on Voltas. A target of 1030. Anyways, we respect everyone. Reliance. Oops. Reliance almost reached our target. Actually, our target is 75. I never thought it will reach intraday. Oh my god. Just give me a minute, guys. I will post an update to my members and then come back. RIL 2500 call hits our target of 75. Complete exit for all traders. Golden egg. Jindal still fires like anything else. I think the call of, 8,000, 380 strike price call We have given a 10, I guess. 10 or 11. Yeah, 10, I guess. I suggested to buy between 9 to 10. It made a low of 9.75. Now at 26. Voltas also, I feel like we met our target. 27 was the target which I have given, and 27 is the high. Okay, any other questions from your side, guys? If you have, we can discuss about the questions, I mean, queries, or whatsoever it is. Friends, if you feel our sessions, I mean, our live sessions are useful, please do share it across to your friends also, so that let them also join and get benefited. Of course, this is a free session, nothing wrong in recommending to others if it is useful. What is the Pavan view on Asian Paints? Asian Paints results were good, and I expect crude also to fall in this current series. It's very simple correlation trade. When crude falls, paint companies rises. That's all. Look at the chart. Amazing. One-way directional move in the last 1.5 months. From 2,500 rupees, 2,550 rupees, all the way till 3,300 rupees. Yesterday's result also added party, I mean fuel to the party. Now, if you are looking for a target, if my guess is right, he may even go and touch the earlier highs of 3,600. Provided Nifty should hold above 200 day moving averages. If Nifty is holding above 200 moving average, then we will definitely see. But if you want to buy right now, that is not a wise idea. You need to wait, and you need to buy only on dip. I think the charts are lagging once again, I guess. I am in Asian Paints chart for long time, but it is still showing you the Nifty 17200 call. This is the problem which I face, guys. I don't know why it is. I'm damn sure that it is not because of slowness in my internet, because I'm having a good Wi-Fi connection over here at my home. IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC. Finally, our pick on Dixon also started performing. Because of the guidance cut after the results, the stock was not performing yesterday and day before, but now it has also started performing. 76 right now. I think the video has got stuck. Not sure. Okay, I have refreshed it again. If you have any questions, please do post. If not, we will wind up the session. I'll wait for another 5 more minutes to see whether if somebody is responding. Okay, we will wind off. No, Pavan is asking some question. Why our markets are not reacting to GDP? Pavan, first of all, try to avoid putting such question marks bluntly. That is not manners. I am here to help you people. But that doesn't mean I am a slave to anyone. Sorry to say that. Look at the way you have put question marks. Earlier 3 times and then the 5 times and then now again 3 times. That's not fair. Not reacting to GDP data which is released yesterday. Uh, I'm not aware about the GDP data, Pavan. I haven't seen it. I have not paid more importance to it because whatever the data which we are seeing is either backdated. If at all it is not backdated, definitely it is not the present one. People may say that it is a present one to fool everyone, but that is not the case. So I don't pay more attention to that. Bharat, your question is on Tata Steel. Actually speaking, Tata Steel, a couple of minutes only before only we have discussed. I think you have joined a bit late. Um, I am positive on all metals, especially the underperforming ones which have not performed last month will fire. The best ones out of the lot will be like NMDC, Hindalco, and Jindal Steel. These three could be best. But it doesn't mean Tata Steel will not perform. It will also perform, but it will not perform up to the extent what Hindalco or NMDC performs. Maybe Tata Steel can do 115, maybe 118. That is the max. Max to max, it can do 121. Max to max in the current series. I am saying about August series. Max to max. Definitely not beyond that. But Hindalco could do 500 from here. The thing is, if he crosses 415 or 420 levels, if he crosses 420 levels, he will fire like anything. No, no problem, Bharat. See, if I noticed that you have joined recently, that is the reason I have said that you might not be there. So you got your answer. So I think the question from Bharat is the last one. So we can wind off our session. We'll catch up on Monday if I am able to resolve the latency issue by today. I mean, by within the weekend. Okay. Have a good day, friends. See you all. We'll try to post the forecast video by this week, definitely. Since last week I was not available, I haven't posted the forecast video. But this week, definitely, I will post. Don't worry. Have a good day. See you all. Trade safely. Markets are at higher end. At one point in time, it will become overbought and there will be a sharp fall of 100 150 points in Nifty and 400 500 points in Bank Nifty. We don't know when it will fall. So please don't be aggressive long at present situation. Let the Friday factor be over. Monday once again we will get our opportunities to take trade. Hence, don't worry at all. Don't think that today is the day which I need to where I need to make money in markets, or else I will not get another day. Definitely you will get another day. Don't worry. Bye.